kids are sleeping. Shh. Let's check it out. There they are. 5 beautiful kittens are nursing. Hey, you a good mama Sina. Are you a good mama Sina? She is so pretty. Look at them. They're so adorable. Look, they're big. 1 month old. I think 1 month old and 4 days. Yeah, look at you, Sina. So cute. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.